India at 75.
India at 75.
India at 75.
India at 75.
India 75 is a great platform
Put out by Professor C.K. Prahlad.
to create a blueprint for making our nation a smarter nation.
India at 75 is so vibrant.
Is an initiative of hope.
Is a vision.
It's an opportunity for each and every person to get connected and see what I can contribute to this.
India at 75 is a movement which is striving hard to make sure that our potential is realized.
2022 भारत की आजादी के 75 साल हम भी एक संकल्प करें.
What I look forward to in 2022 is an India wherein poverty no longer exists.
हिंदुस्तान के गरीब से गरीब व्यक्ति को भी रहने के लिए उसको अपना घर मिल जाए.
To me, India is on the move.
I really feel that India is at the cusp.
There is genuine hope that India is going to be a far more stronger nation. We become no more a developing nation, but a developed nation.
I think this is our opportunity to come together to enhance our emotion, enhance our inspiration, and enhance our action to really bring about a change.
It's time people started taking the future in their own hands.
I think it's a dream that needs to be pursued and completely achieved. It will be a dream come true for all Indians.
And we should be able to achieve our dream by 2022.
We all be proud of our country and we'll work towards making our country the best country in the world.
If we succeed in achieving the goals that are set here, we would have set a big step in being and shaping the world order.
Come and join the India at 75 movement. Be a part of City Connect.
So we will continue to be engaged with India at 75 to contribute to the nation.
So join us at India 75. It's about our future. Remember.